In this lesson, I'm just gonna cover the expanded form of given expression for a pre-algebra, okay, for a 10 grade. So we're doing a pre-algebra, okay, gonna do pre-algebra. So we're doing pre-algebra. So I should write clearly, So let me say, just gonna do pre-algebra. Alright, so what we got here? 3x times, you can say open parenthesis, but this is normally multiplication right there involved it. So 3x times 4x squared minus 2y minus xy is what? This is 3x squared times 4x squared minus 2y minus xy is equal to, if we distribute this, if we multiply there, what do we got? 3 times 4 is 12, right? X times x squared is 3. Anytime you multiplying a variable, anytime you're multiplying variable, you add the exponent, right? So now this has a 1, but normally nobody writes, and so it's 3. 12x3. Now 3 times minus 2y, it become 3 times minus 2 is 6. X times y is xy. 3x times xy, x will get square, normally 1 here, nobody writes, so 3 times 1 is 3. X has a 1 here, nobody writes, x has 1 here, so x square. Y itself here, y has only 1, but nobody writes. So this is the final, and I think I rewrite it here. No, I didn't, so I subtracted here. Here it is, you can subtract this, you can subtract. No, actually I just did the order, I just did the order. So now, because you can subtract it, because minus 6xy has one exponent, but here x has two exponent. You can multiply, but you cannot add or subtract. So this then become the power of 3 first, so we have 12x cubed minus the second power, x has here, see, square, so minus 3x squared y minus 6xy. So we just move it, this part, to the end here. So that's the final answer for a pre-algebra 10 grade, and yeah, doing the expanding form. So now it looks like you expand it. This is how you expand it.